The fun begins! Good morning. Everyone's just like half dead this morning. It came in like around 2:45, checked in, and then around 3:30 went to get some food, got back to our rooms by like 3:45, so like absolutely tired, but really excited for the day. Got ATV with the boys. It's definitely gonna be a really nice day. Yeah, looking forward for the day, how it goes, and then some massage. It's gonna be a really nice day. Looking forward for it. Fruits, rice patty, and a nice pool. What else can you ask? Boys, are you ready for ATV?
Sure. I'm here to do, I don't know, wheelies, doughies, going off a bridge, I don't know.
ATV time, guys. The fun begins! Sorry. Listen, calm. Hold, listen, when you're braking, Dian, don't brake together too hard. Softly. How you going? How you going? Dian is leading.
Leon's going too slow.
No, not again. Yeah. I think you enjoyed that. You enjoyed that, right? Really, how was ATV?
It was good.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yep. My favourite part was the hill. My second favourite part
was hitting me from the back.
Was hitting you from the back.
Dian, how was it?
Good.
3 of your most memorable moments.
When Alex crashed, when Chris crashed and stalled, and when Chris fell off his bike.
I didn't fall off my bike.
And I didn't crash either.
Would you recommend doing it to someone?
Crashing.
No, doing the ATV.
Yeah. But rate 5 stars on Klook and subscribe to Chris Travels.
Oh, so kind of you. And Wheatley, lastly, what was something you really was memorable from this ATV? Most memorable part. If you had to pick one, I'll pick 2.
Overlapping everyone in the mud pit. Like
oh my god, yeah. You did like 4 laps, hey?
I did like 6.
And I got 2.
Yeah.
Because I was stuck for like 3 laps.
Yeah, because you don't know how to drive.
the ATV was slow, dude. Like
No.
Yeah, they ought to go 20 k's.
20 k's.
Yeah, I reckon they only go about 20, maybe 23 if you're going downhill.
Fair. Oh well. For the spa next, catch you.